And the animal for summary, she beam. Summary means I can Samsung tablet A8. Now, and then the metro said here, who screen, I say, and now I say, who charging port, I say, I'll bet me I hear video, so now wait me as a son without any problem. So I'm near to one screw. Wow. Yeah, disconnect display flexor. And he said, open source is on screen. No. Summary, best disconnect the battery. No. I had two screws we in now. Yeah, shared way every so. Yeah, disconnect it flex way. Into upper cells is charging port now. Yeah, into so unya replacement charging port now. And one is out the paper. Yeah, the screws are not now, so I have a boom. Yeah, the screen no flex now. Yeah, the battery no, so aber. Yeah, they are so. Yeah, the screw no abum. Yeah, test ya he say we charge ya. Yeah, somebody who say charging it there, and one say you better screen. Yeah, nti akyerɛ sɛ ɛno nso deɛ de brɛ mu no nti yɛgye di sɛ o Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 sɛ screen no anaasɛ charging port no ɛhaw a wobɛtumi ahwɛ videos no ade asesa no nti yɛbɛte yɛ ho nka biom. Bye.